Welcome to Cardanit Tutorials. In part 1 of this two-part tutorial, we'll show you how to validate the flow of your process, ensuring it delivers the results you expect. Today, we'll be looking at how to set the maximum number of times the process can be triggered and how to define the time interval between each occurrence. Let's start by selecting the Start event and opening the Parameters pane. The first thing we'll do is set the maximum number of times the process will trigger by adjusting the trigger count parameter. We're going to set the maximum number of triggers to 1000. Next, we're going to define the time interval between each occurrence of the start event using the inter-trigger timer parameter. There are different timer formats you can use, and each has its own settings. There's short and long format, and a list of distributions. We want to generate an instance every 30 minutes. If you want to edit trigger parameters, simply select a parameter and make your changes. Why not try it for yourself? And be sure to check out Part 2 on sequence flow probability. If you haven't already signed up to Cardanit, click the link in the description and get started now.